Hello, I'm Dr. Moosa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and today I'd like to share with you that I've been doing LASIK eye surgery now for 22 years. It's incredible. It's been 22 years of vision correction surgery that's become a part of my life. And I've had the incredible experience of operating on so many different individuals that I think I've probably done tens of thousands of surgeries at this point. But it's each and every time that I get the opportunity to operate, it's an exciting, a privileged experience for me and a very personal one for me. And one of the ones that I recall early in my career was when I had the chance to operate on my dad. This is probably about 17 years ago. And providing my dad with excellent vision was one of the greatest moments and proudest moments of my life. For him to trust me to do surgery was obviously very, very touching and exciting. But about 4 years ago, I had the opportunity to operate on my son. So now I've come full circle, and the exciting thing about that is I've not only had that opportunity, but I've seen patients of mine who have now brought in their children to have surgery with me. And I can't believe I've been doing this for as long as I have and enjoying it as much as I have. But I guess the passion that goes along with this is something that drives me each and every day. And I'm so excited to be a part of your life and your family as you choose to have me for your laser vision correction procedure. Thank you so much.